Hi, this is Miss Loiselle from Estrelita High School. I am the math teacher, and this year I'm teaching 3 classes. My first class is Math Foundations. This is a pre-algebra class. There's a lot of review and covering of the foundations that are needed in order to move on to algebra. So we're doing integers, which includes negative and positive numbers, fractions, adding and multiplying, inequalities, so that students really understand greater than or less than, and using a number line in order to go on and use the coordinate system. And then variables, an introduction to variables and understanding that variables, how they work. My second class is an applied math class. So this is a project-based learning class where we learn some of the science behind inventions and how science has progressed, and then kind of create projects based on that. So we've done a solar system. We're working on bridges, but there'll be ones in the future about atoms and molecules, momentum, and Newton's cradle. So some physics, some 3D modeling, some trigonometry, and some velocity acceleration. And so there's a variety of projects, but they're all math based. That is a fun class. And integrated math 1, this is a combination of algebra 1 and geometry. So right now, we're reviewing and doing some pre-algebra to ensure all those ideas are fresh in the student's mind, and for me to make sure that they're ready for algebra. And then we move on to algebra and geometry. So right now we're doing a review, and the students are doing really well with that. But in the future, algebra 1 has to do mostly with linear functions. So y equals mx plus b with slope and the y-intercept, and understanding rate of change and what slope means. Geometry will mostly be triangles and Pythagorean theorem and some trigonometry. So I'm excited this year's to get out of COVID, and I believe students need to be in a classroom in order to learn and feel connected to the learning. So that is showing up this year with the students being there. This year will be a new experience and a fresh start for the students. Students seem to be excited to be back and surrounded by their classmates. My goal is to make math fun and exciting so that students learn while seeing all the real world applications of math. Okay, thank you for your time.